Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ, and today I'm going to show you what to do if when you're trying to move a single vertices in Blender, it instead moves the whole object. So for example, at the minute I have this Blender project open, and if I go into edit mode and I try to move this single vert here, as you can see it is moving the whole object instead of just the singular vert. Now the most likely cause for this is that you've accidentally turned on proportional editing, so if you either come to the top here and you come to this little circle icon, this is the proportional editing icon. If you click on that, that will then turn it off. And now if I try to move the vert, it will allow to move the single vert again instead of moving the whole object. Now alternatively, you can also press O on the keyboard, as that is the keyboard shortcut for it. And now I've just turned it back on with the keyboard shortcut. As you can see, it's back to moving the whole thing. So that is most likely the cause of the issue that you're having. So guys, hopefully that worked for you. If you liked the video, don't forget the like button. If you decided to hit the dislike button, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.